Today's lesson is going to be on factors. Factors are basically related to the multiplication facts that equal a given number. For example, if I gave you the number 24, and I wanted you to find all the factors that equaled the number 24, we would have to consider the multiplication facts that get us there. What I like to do is I always like to create what's called a factor rainbow. And a factor rainbow helps us to come up with the answers of those multiplication facts. For starters, it's always easy to start with 1 and the number itself. So we always know that 1 times that number, in this case 1 times 24, gives us 24. Now that we've started with 1, what we're going to do is we're going to draw ourselves another arc, and now we're going to try and think of any other multiplication facts that will get us to 24. We started with 1, so now I'm going to think about 2. Does 2 go into 24? Yes, it does. 2 times 12 gives us 24, so now we've completed that arc. Now we're going to think about the next possible number. We've done 1, we've done 2. How about 3? Well, in this case, 3 times 8 gives us 24. So we've tried 1, we've tried 2, we've tried 3. Now we're going to try 4. And again, in this case, 4 times 6 works. So far we've got these factors listed, and we need to double check to make sure that we haven't missed anything. Well, if you look, we've tried 1, we've tried 2, we've tried 3, we've tried 4. All that's left that could possibly work in the middle of our rainbow, in the middle of 4 and 6, is the number 5. So we're going to ask ourselves, does 5 go into 24? In this case, 5 does not go into 24, so 5 is not a factor. And I like to just draw a little line there to know that I've thought about all the different possibilities and 5 doesn't work. So now in this case, the factors of 24, here's our word factors. The factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. And we figured that out using our factor rainbow technique, which in the end made ourselves look like we have a nice beautiful rainbow here. You can do this with any number. So if there was the number 10, the number 15, whatever number that you would like to try out, you could use a factor rainbow to help yourselves come up with all the different factors of that certain number. Again, keeping in mind that this comes from 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, and 4 times 6, which are the original multiplication facts that get us to the number 24.